I'm making this sign from cedar tone, which if you're not familiar is treated wood colored brown. I'm starting off by cutting a 5-foot piece from a 4x4. This is going to be for the main post. Next I cut a 3-foot piece for the sign arm. This is what extends out from the post to hang the sign. I'm connecting these with a half lap because a half lap is super strong and there's lots of options to make that. One is a circular saw, just taking multiple passes and then cleaning up with a chisel. Another option is using a dado stack in a table saw or a dado stack in a radial arm saw if you have one of those. Moving on to assembly, I'm gluing and screwing these two pieces together. Now for the sign, I'm cutting a 16-inch piece from a 2x6. And then I route the letters using this jig from Milescraft. Now something you can do as a follow-up is paint or stain the letters, but I'm not doing that because this wood isn't dry yet, but that's a great way to make it stand out later on.